Good day guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be a very quick tutorial. Today we are going to look at how to password protect, that is password or protect your Word or PDF document. Now we are going to protect our document, which is either PDF or Word, so that we can prevent it from unauthorized access. That's, we want to maintain integrity and then confidentiality. Now I'll open my Word document. I'm going to generate a random text which is equals rand. Okay, now I just want to save this, so don't worry. So I come to file, save as. Okay, then I choose my location. So this is my location. Now I'm going to save it anyhow. Let me say password protection. Okay, now I come to tools, then we come to what? General options. Now over here there are two things we have to do. We have to create a password, that's password to open and then password to modify. Now each and every one of these text boxes can be different. So the password to open can be different, the password to modify can be different, but I prefer you make it the same so that you don't get confused. So this is my password to open, and then for the password to open, when you just launch your document, that will be the password you enter in. Okay, you will key in. Then the second one is password to modify. So it's the same. Now with the protect document, we use this to restrict documents from editing. We are not going to do that, okay, because for the restriction is just you click on some commands and then you just unrestrict it. But over here we are using a password. Okay, so now you tap on OK. Then it is telling you to confirm. That's the password to open. Okay, now we are done. Over here, if I want it as a PDF, what I have to do is I just change it from Word document save as type to what? PDF. Okay, so I just need it as what? As Word. So Word document. Now what I have to do is what? I have to save it. Now I'm closing this document. Let me open it over here. That's password protection. It is demanding for the password to open. Then okay. Kudos guys. This is how we protect our documents from unauthorized access. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.